Okay, students, in our previous videos, you have learnt about the HCF of some of the numbers, then related to HCF, some of the word problems or some of the sums. Now we learn the other aspect, which is called LCM. I said you the full form of LCM is least common multiple. First of all, you must know what is called what I call multiples. You know that multiples are means if you are multiplying any number with the natural number, you will find the multiples. Definitely first multiple will be if you are multiplying any numbers by 1, that is the first natural number. If you are multiplying any number, then the first multiple you will get. So for take as 7 first multiple will be what? 7 into 1, 7. What will be its last multiple? It will be infinite. Multiples, number of multiples for any number will be infinite, because you can multiply 7 by trillion, you can multiply 7 by quadrillion, quintillion or so multiple of any number is limitless. Number of multiples of any number are limitless. You understand me? So you know the multiples are any numbers multiples will be its multiplication table, and then endless number of multiples. Could you understand me? 13 multiples are what? 13 ones are 13 is the first multiple, 26 is the second multiple, the 13 3 is the 39 is the third multiple, 13 10s are 113 will be the 10th multiple. Like this it goes on. Could you understand me? So what you need to learn here is the least multiple among the given number. Some numbers will be there, among that there will be a common least multiple. The common multiples, least among that will be the aspect to learn. Could you understand? LCM, which is called. Now let us learn various procedures to find out the LCM first. Firstly, we can find out LCM by prime factorization method. We can find out LCM by common division method. Division method is called common division method here, but division method for HCF is the long division method. Common division method, we are following the short division method, taking all the numbers together and dividing by the common divisor. We are trying for common divisor for all the numbers first, and all those common divisors product will be the HCF. But if it is not going in LCM, we can divide two numbers also by the common divisor. Minimum two numbers are getting divided by divisor, then we'll have to continue. Let us learn, you will get more knowledge. So the two procedures learn: prime factorization and common division method. So let us learn prime factorization first. Question number 1 said to you as we'll have to find out the LCM by prime factorization. So similar way like HCF by prime factorization, you find out the prime factors. You write down the number as a product of prime factors. So you divide that number, go for the short division of each number given to you, and with the divisor as prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like that. All these number divisor you divide with 36 divided by 2. 36 is the even number, so it will go by 2, so it will become 18. Again 18 will be divided by 2, it will become 9. 19 will not go with 2 because it's an odd number. 19 can be divided by 3. That last prime number came means your division over. So 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You can very well write down product of prime numbers as this PF. You don't have to write down. 36 is equal to that. Could you understand me? Now 36 is split into the prime factors and the product of prime factors. As a product of prime factors, you have written 36. Now moving on to 39. 39 also similarly do it. 39, it's a number which has got only 4 factors, that 1 and itself, and other than 1 itself it has got 2 factors because it can be divided by only 3 and 13 other than 1 and itself. Could you understand? 3 13s are because it is coming prime number. Okay, 3 13s are 39. Okay, it cannot be divided further because it's a prime number. Could you understand me? So 13 can be written as 3 into 13. Now what to do? For HCF, what was your procedure? See, here are the prime factors and here are the prime factor of it. So what was the procedure for HCF? HCF procedure was, common factor. Here it is 3. Only 3 is the common prime factor because see, here is 3 and here is 3, nothing else. 2 is not, 2 is here but 2 is not here, 13 is here but 13 is not. So HCF of these two number is 3. Very nicely you have understood. But LCM will be what? I will tell you, please listen to me very carefully. First you split into the product of prime factors, that is no problem at all. Now all the prime factors, see here are how many prime factors? 2 is a prime factor, 3 is a prime factor, 13 is a prime factor. This 4 type of prime factors are there now. So out of that 4 type of prime factor, 2, how many number of times will be picked? In for every number, as many number of the prime factor, particular prime factor is repeated maximum time. Maximum time the prime factor is written, from that number prime factor only pick that prime factor to its highest index, we say. If we learn the power, no, it will be 2 to the power 2. In this case 2 is not there. So the prime factor to its highest index, that means particular type of prime factor in which number it has been repeated maximum number of time, that many number of times that prime factor has to be picked. So 2 has repeated 2 times, so you have to write down 2 times. Now 3, in this case 1 time, but in this case 2 times. You have to pick 2 times because here 3 is repeated 2 times. Could you understand me? Now see, 2 and 3 are picked. There are 3 types of prime factors I said you, and 13 is also there, so 13 also will be. So product of all the prime factors repeated maximum number of time of the given numbers, of any given number, will be the LCM. Could you understand me? So here to be product of all these things. See, to find out the LCM, no, you may have to use working column mode, because you have to multiply the numbers. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13, which you multiply, no, and see, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 and 3 is a 36, 36 into 13, 36 into 13 is 468. In the working column you have multiplied this. So 468 will be the LCM. I hope you have understood it. Let us take one more example that will clarify. I have taken 144 and 276 one. 2 numbers are there. Prime factorization you do. Then you pick the prime factors which is repeated maximum number of times, and then find the. See, 244 2 times it will go. 2 is the prime factor, can divide all. Once you are doing the prime factorization method, you will have to divide only by prime number. You can't take any composite number for division. Could you understand me? So 2, start from 2, then 3, next prime number, then 5, next prime number, then 7, then next prime number, 11, like this you go. Could you understand? So 2 can divide. The test of divisibility you can come to know this will be divided by 2 or not. Yes, it is even number 2. So 72 came, 72 again even number 2, and 36 came, 36 again divided by 2, 18 came, 2 can divide 18 also, 9 came, 9 cannot be divided 3 into 3. Last time now you have got, so division is over. So 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that you have written down. Now 270 also similarly do, say it can divide it to 135, then it cannot go with 2 because it's odd number. Add all the digits and find out whether it can be divided by 3 or not. Yes, it is coming 9, so it can be divided by 3. So 3 will be 345 is the 135. You can very well do it. Now 3 cannot 45 cannot be divided by 2. It can be obviously divided by 3 because 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divided by 3. 3 15s are. Now 15 also can be divided by 3. 3 5s are. Last prime number came, so stop the division. So all the prime factors will be the product of so that you will find 270. So 270 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. You are written down that. Now LCM, what do you need to do? Each type of prime factor, maximum time where it is repeated, that many times that prime factor you pick. So LCM will be, see, 2 in 144 4 times, 2 in 270 only 1 time. So which one will be picked? That 4 times 1, 2 will be picked for LCM. Could you understand? For HCF, among those prime factors only the common prime factors. But for LCM, the particular prime factors maximum time repetition for which number it has happened, that many number of times that prime factor will be picked, and all the prime factor has to be picked. Product of them will be the LCM. So 2 4 times written. Now 3 the prime factor available. 3 where it is repeated maximum time, here it is 2 times, but here it is 3 times. So this 3 times 3 has to be picked. Could you understand? Now what are the prime factors left? Is there any prime factor left? Yes, 5 is left. 5 only one time here only, so 5 are written. So product of all these number will be the LCM. So to find out the product, no, you just see 5, when 5 and 2 it is there, no, that will become 10. Don't for multiplication it will be easy. Remaining you do it. See, it will become 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are see what I have done for easy 3 multiplied 3 is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27, and only 1, 2 and 5 I have left because the 10 will be there, you can add 0 to the right hand side. So 5 and 2, leaving 5 and 2, if you multiply this 3 it will become 27, and then this 3 2 if you multiply it will be 8. So 27 into 8, if you can find out, then 5 into 2, 0 will be added. So 7 into 8 is 216, then 5 and 2 10, 0 is added to the right hand side. Could you understand? Otherwise you multiply usual procedure. Hope understood. So for easy multiplication, to find out the LCM, 5 and 2, as many times 5 and 2 are there, each pair of 5 and 2 you leave it, so that it will come 10, 100, 1000 like this, so that you can add 0. Remaining you multiply. Okay, I hope you have understood prime factorization method. We will move on to division method. Division method for LCM is the common division method here. It's not a long division method like HCF. Could you understand? So you have picked the number. I have taken 105 and 175. See, 105 and 175, it will not be divided. It can be divided by, this one will be divided by 3. Of course, this can be 7, 8 plus, see, add all the digits. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 will be divided? No. So it will be divided with 5 because the last digit is 5. See, 5 can divide, so it will come 21. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, and 5 3s are 5 5s are 25. So 35, 21 and 35. These two will be divided by, see, when you are finding the long division or common division method, no, that time you don't have to go for the number which is divided. Prime factors you don't have to pick. Any divisor you pick. In this case 7 can divide, so 3 and 5. Last prime number came. If one of the prime number between two numbers come, also you stop the division. 2 prime number came, so obviously you will stop it. So product of all this number will be the LCM. 5 into 7 into 3 into 5. This is a common division method. Means picking all the number and dividing as the way you did the HCF. But for HCF, all the number has to be divided. See, for HCF would have been what? This number was divided by 5 both and 7 both. So HCF would have been 5 into 7. Could you understand? But LCM will be multiplying these two numbers also. Other number also will be. Could you understand? This is. I will take another example. I have taken, I will take example from next question. Question number 3, you have to find out the LCM. LCM usually follow through that common division method. This is the method you follow. Could you understand? Otherwise, if you go for the prime factorization method and all, then it will take so much of time. Now, how will you find out LCM? See, there are numbers. I said, for common division method, you don't have to pick the divisor as only prime number. You can pick any divisor. See, 24, 36, 54 and 60. Ask your brain, which is a number can divide all the number? See, 6 can divide 24. 6 can divide 36, 6 can divide 54, 6 can divide 60. 6 is the divisor. I have straight away picked 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 6 are 36, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 16. Understood? 6 can divide all the number. Now what you have got? 4, 6, 9 and 10. See, can you have a common divisor to divide all the numbers? No, because Here, some of the odd numbers are there and some of the even numbers are there. So it will not be divided with common divisor. So you can then, for to find out the HCF of this number, see, after this line, these all things comes. So no common divisor can. So therefore HCF will be 6 only. Could you understand? But LCM, if among the numbers, two numbers are getting divided, see 4 and 6 and 10 will be divided by what? 2. You have to continue the procedure. So 2 can divide, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, but 9 cannot be divided by, so 9 you have kept as it is. You have put 9 down simply, 2 5s are 10. Could you understand? Now these are the number came 2, 3, 9 and 5. Now is there any divisor which can divide at least 2 of them? Yes, 3 and 9 can be divided by 3. So 3 can divide, so 3 cannot divide 2, so 2 has come down as it is. 3 can divide 1, 3 can divide 3, there has come 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 5 cannot divide, 5 is as it is. Now you don't have any divisor which can divide 2 of the given number. So LCM will be 6 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5, all the numbers. Taking 1 multiplication is not equal, because 1 multiplying anything will become the number itself. That is why we'll omit 1. So this all product, if you multiply this 6 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5, you will find 1080. Answer given in the book may be wrong, it will be 1080. Could you understand? You see, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 36, 36 3s are 36 3s are 108, and then 5 2s are 10, 108 beside 10. Could you understand? Now what problem I tried to solve? 1 or 2. See, find the smallest number divisible by sum of the number. Divisible, smallest number, find the smallest number divisible by the given number. Means these all number can divide some smallest number. Will be what? Will be their LCM only. Could you understand? Which can divide exactly, highest number can divide exactly is HCF, but which is divisible by the given numbers will be LCM. So the smallest number exactly divisible by their LCM only. We find out the LCM. See, 18, 24, 36 and 42. I have picked all the number. Dear, I didn't choose only the prime factor to divide it. I have seen 18, 24, 36 and 42, which is the common number can divide this all together. I find 6 is the number which can divide all. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 6s are 36 and 6 7s are 42. Understood? Now I didn't find any common divisor, because among this no one prime number, two prime number came. So HCF of this number could have been 6, but LCM, if two numbers among the leftover number also goes, you have to continue. So 3 can divide, 3 1s are, 3 cannot divide 4, so it is as it is, 3 2s are 6 and 7 also cannot go, it will be as it is. Now it is over. What are the number left? 4 and 2. Will among the number, is there 2 number which will be divided by common divisor? Yes, 4 and 2 can be divided by 2. So 2 can divide it 1 as it is there, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 and 7 will be as it is. Now these two number will not be divided by 2 and 7 will not be divided by common divisor. So that is immense. So LCM will be multiplying all the numbers 2, 3, 6, 3, 2, 2 and 7. If you multiply, you will find 504. You can take the help of working column. 36, see, 6 is 18, 18 to the 36 and 2 7s are 14, 36 into 14, 14 6 are 84 and 14 3s are 42 plus 8 is 50. So 504 will be the LCMs. Therefore, the smallest number is equal to 504. Don't write down LCM is equal to 504. That is the answer. No, the smallest number is equal to 504. Okay, fine. Need to find out the LCM and HCF of both. Now I will do this one. You just see. We will go for the common division method. 90 and 144 you take. See children, which is the number can divide both? Go for 18 18 can divide both, you see. 18, how much are 144? 18. 18 can divide, otherwise you can do with 2 or so. No, 18, um, 18 can be, okay, we'll go for, if you don't get a common divisor in a long number, then you go for, 2 can divide it, 45, then 7, 2, then again, which can divide this 2? 9. Yes, 18 could have divided that. So 9 5s are 45 and 8 9s are. Could you understand? Now this number cannot be divided by any common divisor because one of them prime number. Therefore HCF will be what? 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. Could you understand? That is answer. Now LCM will be what? LCM will be product of all this. LCM will be product of all the number, that is 2 into 9 into 5 into 8. If you find out, then it will become 8 9 is 72 and 5 2s are 10. I said 5 and 2 don't multiply, 72 and then 10 means this will be the answer. I hope you have understood this one. So this way you do it. Okay. Now up to question number 6 I have taken. That is said that a number which is divided by all this number every time leaves the remainder as 10. What will be the number then? The number which can be divided by all this number will be the LCM, and remainder 10 means 10 extra is there for the number. So you need to find out the LCM first of this number. To find out the smallest number, you need to find out the LCM of all this number first. You found the LCM. If you found the LCM, these all number 5 can divide all number. Then 3 can divide 2 numbers. It's fine. Then none of the number can be divided by common divisor. So 5 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 3, which is equal to 900. So 900 is the LCM, but 900 is not the number. See, 900 can be divided exactly by them, but it is not exactly getting divided. It is leaving remainder 10. So that 10 is extra. So the required number will be 900 plus 10, as the number is division, as the number on division leaves 10 as remainder, the required number is equal to 900 plus 10 is equal to 910. 910 will be the answer. Hope you have understood. Please go very slow, practice yourself so that you can be master in maths. And doubt if it is there, do not hide within you. Please expose to me. I am always open to you.